Region in Muslim Mindanao, the outgoing provincial governor of Maguindanao del Norte, our incoming provincial governor, Dato Sharifuddin Tukaw Mastura, the municipal mayor of Sultan Kudarat, Honorable Dato Tukaw Mastura, the congresswoman by Dimpon Mastura, the provincial vice governor Abdul Nasser Abbas, all the municipal mayors here, the provincial board members, the outgoing provincial administrator, MP Dr. Tumanda Antok, the MLJOs here, the provincial heads, the regional, local, religious and community leaders, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Today, we gather for a significant occasion, which is leadership turnover ceremony for Maguindanao del Norte. To our esteemed outgoing provincial governor, Chief Minister Abdul Rauf Makakwa, we extend our deepest appreciation for your dedicated service. Your leadership has guided the province, ensuring that the provincial government is responsive to the needs of the constituents. The strong foundation you have laid continued to serve as a pillar of sustainable development in this province. To our duly appointed provincial governor, Dato Sharifuddin Mastura, we welcome you with full support. On behalf of the MILG, we are in full support to your endeavor. Let us continue to stand united in action and remain steadfast in our commitment to advancing the welfare of the province and serving its people with dedication and integrity. Once again, syukran at pagpupugay sa ating outgoing governor at pagbati na rin sa kanya bilang bagong chief minister at sa bago nating gobernador, Dato Sharifuddin Tukaw Mastura. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant you both wisdom, strength, success in serving the Bangsamoro people. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ang bumisa ni Dr.
Thank you very much,
Ay Balandi,
the Provincial Director of MILG Maguindanao del Norte.